Hello, good DIY assistant. Today we're having a ZDX Acura. It will not crank, it will not start. And this is a very tricky situation here. I didn't go to the garage the next day because I have to go to exercise to do some exercise riding with my group. So what exactly is the problem? They just change transmission fluid, engine oil, do spark plug change with the battery on without disconnecting the battery, and next the car will not crank, will not start. We just jump started, we just did bypass some of the system before we get a power. And the other thing here is there is no power at the push button. There is no light at the push button at all. The light comes but ignition will not come on. So this ones that happens here is because we just made a little bypass, and that's why the transmission D is blinking and the key anti-theft system is blinking. So I don't know what could be possibly wrong here. I'm gonna show more video about this.